Alright, here it is from the other angle. Look at Nissan Titan, Volkswagen, Subaru, Nissan, Toyota Corolla. Here's this Honda in front of me trying to sneak in. This is a 2012 Honda, something like that. There's a Sonata. There's a Toyota RAV4. That's a $12,000 car. Maybe more with the payment. Here's the cones. Toyota, Nissan Altima, Kia Forte, Dodge truck, Jetta, Corolla, Ranger, another Corolla, another Toyota hybrid. There's a beater pickup. He belongs there. Honda, 2012 Honda, another Corolla, brand new, another Corolla, another Toyota Tundra. There's another Tundra. Here's a Nissan Quest van, brand fucking new. And this guy here is looking for some food. Free advertising for this guy. Dentist. Probably a criminal dentist. Well, wait for the light to change here. We're still stuck in this Tundra. And then this goes for a mile or two. There's cops directing traffic. Here's the intersection with this Nissan Quest. There's the cops. Another Jetta, Rio, Honda, another Hyundai. There's an old Lincoln. There's a Camry. Nice $500, $600, $700 a month payment on that baby. There's a Chevy, another Kia. There's another Mazda. There's a Benz, an older Benz. There's an Infiniti, a Hyundai, a Chrysler van, a Mazda, SUV, another Escape, Prius, Toyota, Impala, another Toyota, Dodge van, Toyota Camry, another RAV4, another Camry, another RAV4. There's a Yukon. There's another Yukon XL, big dog. There's a Honda Pilot. There's an Acura. There's another Mazda. There's a Versa. That's a cheapie. Here's a Ford truck. Looks like construction guy. Here's another Toyota Sienna, $40,000, $50,000 van. Another Corolla. An Audi, baby. A Beamer and a Benz and a Highlander. All together in the breadline. Honda Accord, Lexus. There's a Lexus RX 300. You can't even touch an 05 for less than 6, 7, 8 grand. And this lady is in the breadline. Going back to normal here. Here's a Honda Odyssey, probably a 2015 or newer van. They're 40-something grand in the breadline. What's going on with this truck? Let's go, bud. There's a Honda Accord. There's another Hyundai Sonata just passing this at the line to the right of me. Here we go. The line needs to tighten up here for a second. Hyundai. Back to the Lexus SUV. Honda Odyssey. Brand new, smaller, compact SUVs. There's a nice Dodge truck, another RAV4, another Corolla, another Kia, a brand new RAV4, a Lexus RX. That's a $7,000 Lexus. Nissan, Toyota, Buick, Benz, Nissan, Honda, Acura SUV, Nissan, Honda Pilot, another